Good morning, students. In this slide I am going to teach you how to create temporary tables in MySQL. Temporary tables are those tables which can be created and stored in the database for a particular session only. They are not stored in the database permanently. Now, referring to the first table called student listed at the top, we can retrieve all the data from that table and then store it in a temporary table called student_copy. The command to do that is just check the slide in the middle. The command is create temporary table student_copy, then select star from student followed by semicolon. Here the temporary table student copy is first created using the command create temporary table student_copy, and then the data from the table student has been retrieved using the statement select star from student. After that, the retrieved data is copied into the temporary table student_copy. Now check the second table. This is the temporary table called student_copy, which has all the data as the table student. In this slide, we will be studying about ordering and filtering data. Let's start with ordering of data using the command order by. So, the order by clause in MySQL can be used to produce sorted output based on the column we want. But order by clause can be used with one or more columns as well. The default sorting order of the order by clause is ascending, but we can sort it in descending order using the DESC keyword. Now consider the table named student as shown in the slide below. Here the first student is John, the second student is Sarah, and the third student is James. Now you have noticed that the student names are not in a sorted order. That is because John is coming first, followed by Sarah, and then James. So that is not in order. Now if you want it to be displayed in an alphabetical order, that is James coming first, followed by John and then Sarah, we can do that using the order by clause, and I will show that in the next slide. See the statement in this slide. Select star from student, order by name followed by semicolon. This statement will retrieve all the data from the student table but in the ascending order of name. That's the reason why the record containing James appear before John and Sarah, and the result of that is shown in the table below. The record containing James comes before John because the second letter in James is A, whereas the second letter in John is O. And clearly, if we follow the ascending order, then the record containing James will come before John. In the next slide, I will show how to arrange the table in the descending order of name. Now, see the statement in this slide. Select star from student, order by name DESC, followed by semicolon. Here we have the keyword DESC towards the end of the statement, which will sort the table called student in the descending order of name. The result can be seen with the help of the table listed below. So just after we added the keyword DESC towards the end of the statement, the record containing Sarah has been listed first, followed by John and then James, which is clearly in descending order. And this can be seen by the table listed below. In this slide, we will learn how to filter the data using the where clause. See the statement in the slide. Select star from student where age is greater than 33, followed by a semicolon. Here, we filter those records from the table student whose age is greater than 33, and we use the where clause for this. Once this statement is executed, you can see the table as listed below. This table eliminates the record of Sarah because her age was 32. Finally, the table has only two records, one that of James and the other that of John.